Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the present perfect continuous tense, which is the last tense of the present tense. Let's go and learn it. The present perfect continuous tense, there are some verbs. The first verb is rain, second form is rained, third form is rained. Second verb is there, teach, second form is taught, third form is taught. The last verb is there, that is sell, second form is sold, and third form is sold. There is use, an action which started in the past and it is continued right now and shows how long the action has been continued is called the present perfect continuous tense. It means there is again link of the past tense and the present, which are linked with each other. Here we talk about the length or duration of the time, that how long the action has been going on. Here we use the present perfect continuous tense. Let's go and see the timeline. The action started in the past. It is still continued. It may continue in future as well. But now the difference between the present continuous tense, the present perfect continuous tense is that in continuous tense the action is going on. We don't talk about the duration or the length of the time, but in the present perfect continuous tense we talk about the duration or the length of the time. There are two identifications. The first one is verb. Verb we use first form plus ing, like rain, raining, teach, teaching, sell, selling. Next identification is the helping verb. There are two helping verbs, have been and has been. Have been we use with I, we, you, they. But has been we use when our subjects are he, she, it, or third person singular. Now there is formula how to make the sentences. First we write subject and the helping verbs are has been and have been. Then we use first form plus ing, plus object, plus since or for, and plus time. Now it's hard to understand how to use since and for. There are some rules. If we know them, we will understand what to use since or for. Since or for, what to use? Since definition is there. It is used with exact or point of the time. Point of the time, that when the action started, we use there since. Morning is there, we can use since morning, since evening, since afternoon, since yesterday, since last night, etc. There are some rules with months we use since, like since January, February, March, April, May, etc. With days we use since, like since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. O'clock we use since, like since 7 o'clock, since 9 o'clock, since 3 o'clock, etc. Last one is there with years. We can use like since 1995, since 2001, since 2010, since 2015, and since 2018, etc. The next preposition is there, which is used to show the time, that is for. For is there, the first use there, it is used to show period of the time. Period of time means like 3 hours, 4 days, 3 months, etc. 2 hours for 2 hours, 5 days for 5 days, 3 months for 3 months, 2 years for 2 years, etc. It is used to show indefinite time. Some examples: some days for some days, a few months for a few months, many years for many years, a long time for a long time, ages for ages. Now let's go and see the formula how to make the sentence. You can find here the first one is there, that is subject plus have been or has been, because they are used as helping verb, plus first form plus ing, that is used as a present participle as well, plus object, plus since or for, and plus time. Now with rain we use it. Example is there, it has been raining since morning. Now here the word it doesn't have any meaning. It is used as a zero pronoun because it is just used to complete the sentence. Negative sentence there, it hasn't been raining since morning. Just after has we use not, it becomes hasn't. How to make an interrogative sentence? Has is used at the beginning of sentence, like as it been raining since morning. It is an interrogative sentence. They, you know that we use have been. They have been teaching the students for 2 hours. 2 hours is here used as period of time. We use for. They haven't been teaching the students for 2 hours. It's a negative sentence. How to make an interrogative sentence? As you know, have they been teaching the students for 2 hours. Morning, the word morning is used here, that is point of time or exact time, and 2 hours there, that is period of time. Hope you understood how to use for and since. Well, there is an exercise, you have to complete it, and you will do it by yourself. It is your own effort to complete it. Let's go and see the sentences. Now our subject is she, and sleep is the verb, and morning is the time. Second is we is our subject, fly is verb, a kite is object, 5 years is our time. Third one is they is subject, watch is our verb, TV is object, 5 minutes is our time. Fourth one is I is subject, read is the verb, a book is our object, evening is our time. Fifth one is there, it is our subject, snow is our verb, afternoon is our time. Now it depends on you how to make the positive, negative and interrogative sentences of the present perfect continuous tense.